Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're diving into a must-have accessory for Starlink mini users on the go, the UBeesize Starlink mini car mount. If you're someone who loves road trips, RV adventures, or boating and wants a stable satellite connection anywhere, this could be exactly what you need. The UBeesize Starlink mini car mount is designed with industrial-grade suction cups, giving it a strong, reliable grip on smooth surfaces like car windows, sunroofs, or even roof racks. This means you can secure your Starlink mini antenna firmly, ensuring uninterrupted satellite connectivity no matter where you are. Durability is a key feature here. Constructed from high-quality plastic and rubber, this mount can withstand harsh weather conditions, making it suitable for outdoor use in sun, rain, or even snow. The design also focuses on versatility. You can install it on multiple surfaces. And its adjustable anti-slip mechanism allows you to position your Starlink Mini for the best possible signal. Portability is another highlight. The compact design makes it easy to carry and store, perfect for camping trips or long drives. Plus, installation is completely tool-free. Whether you want to set it up for a long-term trip or just temporarily, the mount can be installed or removed in seconds, no complicated assembly required. The product dimensions are 10.8 by 2.8 by 4.1 inches, and it weighs just under 15 ounces, so it's lightweight yet sturdy. UBeesize offers this mount in a sleek black finish, and it's compatible with all Starlink mini devices. This mount not only provides stability but also ensures your satellite antenna remains functional and secure throughout your travels. Overall, the UBeesize Starlink mini car mount is a practical, reliable, and portable solution for keeping your Starlink mini connected on the move. Whether you're navigating highways, exploring the wilderness, or enjoying the open water, this mount makes sure your satellite connection stays strong and stable. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product critiques. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next video.